How to determine if any value occurs more than twice in a list. I have a list and would like to determine if any value occurs more than twice. I've tried using collections and counter, but I cannot get those to evaluate to a single true or false value. I would like it to return true if any value occurs more than twice. Any help is appreciated, and it would really help if the solution was fast. I'm checking hundreds of thousands of lists. I'm new to programming, and this is my first post. Edit my attempts. Also, I'm new to Stack Overflow UI. Import collections. RR equals 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Counter RR. Returns. Counter 1 column 1, 2 column 1, 3 column 1, 5 column 1, 6 column 1.
You can use collections.co for this. Or, if you are using Python 3,